Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at 5 minute scalp trading strategy for trading boom and crash, and that is what we will be checking out in today's video, and we'll be looking at how we can use it to trade these assets successfully and make profit with this particular strategy. Okay, so these are some of the things that we will be checking out in today's video. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question at all, you want to know more about my trading tools, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategies, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. And also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, yesterday I created a training video on 5 minute trading strategy, and it got the attention of so many people, and there are so many questions still coming up on it. Okay, so that is why I decided to trade the topic again, but in another way, so that you guys will understand how to go about it. It's so easy, very simple to do. Okay, so many of you got the strategy yesterday, but there are still some questions that needs to be answered. Okay, so I will be explaining those questions in this video. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, so like I said, we will be checking out 5 minutes. We will be checking out 5 minutes scalp trading strategy for trading boom and crash. Okay, this is very easy to do. All you just need to do, in order for you to maximize your profit, is to have your setup on all the assets boom 1000. Just follow this instruction and you will enjoy it. Okay, have your setup on boom 1000, crash 1000, crash 500, and boom 500, and make sure they are on 5 minute time frame. Okay, that way you will be able to maximize your profit, and you will make quite a lot of profit from there. Okay, you will make a lot of profit from there. So that is what you'll be looking at. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you should look out for is the trend. Okay, the trend is always very important. Make sure the trend you are trying to use is the one that supports the signal, or probably make sure the signal supports the trend you are trying to use. Okay, for instance, for boom, we will be focusing on the downtrend, while for crash we will be focusing on the uptrend. Okay, because we only want to trade for 5 minutes. Okay, we are trying to scalp trade and to make some profit with it. Okay, so how do you go about it? So the best thing you need to do is to make sure that you have them around the support and resistance region. Okay, so all these are very important. Most especially, you should know the right position for each of them. For instance, for what is it called, for boom, it should be around the resistance region, while for while for what is it called, for crash, it should be around the support region, because we are trying to buy it. So all these are very important. So the support region is important for boom, for crash. The support region is important for crash, while the resistance region is very important for boom. So all these are very important. It will help you to know when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade. So with all these known, then you will be able to trade your profit. Then you should also, there is another thing that is very important. Most of us usually skip this because we feel that it is not important. Having our daily target is very important. Okay, having our daily target is very important. That will help you to know if you are you are trading within the target or not. Okay, so this will also help you not to over trade. Okay, once you are not over trading, then you will be able to exit the market when you are within the right area. Okay, so that is all what we need to put in place in today's video. So quickly, let's quickly check that out. So this is how it will work. Okay, so from this resistance level, from this trend, you can see for boom, we are looking at the downtrend. So around this region, the boom market is on downtrend. You can see it right from here. It is on downtrend generally, and so which means at that stage we can easily come in and trade, which is from this resistance level. Okay, so what you should look out for is your what's it called, the sell arrow. So once you see your sell arrow, you can easily come in and trade for 5 minutes. Okay, you can see you can trade for 5 minutes right here. Also, you can also trade for 5 minutes. Okay, so also the same thing is applicable to this. Okay, once you see your sell arrow, then you can come in and trade. Okay, more especially when it is starting on the new candle, you can trade right from there. For instance, it started on this, so you wait for that candle to close. It started towards the end of this bullish candle. You can wait for that candle to close and enter on the new candle. So you trade for 5 minutes. So you can easily get several 5 minutes. If you are looking for 10 5 minutes in a day, you can easily get that. So all you just need to do is just to have this set up on ground for each of these assets, and you come in right here, have your 5 minutes here. You can also have your 5 minutes here. You can have another one here. You can have another one here, and yet another one here, and you can still have more here. Okay, you can even have 10 minutes if you want. Okay, if you can have 10 minutes if you want. The reason is you are within the downtrend region, so you don't need to be scared. Even if there is a spike, it will definitely come back to profit because the trend is yet to come to an end. So you can easily have your 5 minutes right here, and even have more here and here. Okay, so let's say when you set up your charts like this, and you notice that this is on downtrend, you can go to boom 500. It is most likely that it is also on downtrend. You can see right here too, it was on downtrend, so you can also take advantage of that. Okay, you can also take advantage of that. Okay, once you see your sell signal, you can sell for 5 minutes. Boom 1000, you also sell for 5 minutes, and also on crash 1000. Okay, all you just need to do is just to you are going to be buying on crash 1000, so it must be within the uptrend regions. You can see this. Okay, you can buy right here and buy for 5 minutes. You can do the same thing right here. You can also do more here. You can do more here. So you can do that over and over. You can also go to crash 500 also to do the same thing also. Once you have a buy signal, even though you don't know when it comes up, then definitely you can definitely come in at the beginning of the new candle and buy at that particular point. So far the signal is in support of the trend. Okay, then you are good to go. So you can easily pick 5 minute candle from there. Check out here. Okay, right here we got our buy signal. Let's say we don't even know when this buy signal comes up. Okay, after the end of this candle, you can easily come in and pick up our 5 minute, because it still gives us about 14 candles right there. Okay, that is another amazing opportunity which you can put into use and make some profit for yourself right on this market. It is very easy to do, and you can easily achieve this if you follow the instruction. Just make sure the signal you are trading is in support with the trend. Okay, make sure the signal you are trading is in support with the trend. Remember, we are scalp trading. For boom, we are selling. For crash, we are buying. So you follow the buy signal that supports the uptrend signal. Okay, for crash. Okay, and for boom, you follow the sell signal that support the downtrend signal. That is for boom. Okay, so that is how it works. Once you do this, you will be able, you can easily get let's say you can easily get 10 5 minute candles on all the assets put together, and let's say per minute you are making let's say per minute you are making 70 cents. Okay, per minute you are making 70 cents, and that is 10 5 minutes, that is 50 minutes times 50 times 50. So that will be giving you that's $35, which is amazing. Now multiply that, making $35 per day. It's not a small money. It is unique. If you multiply this by 7 days, that will be giving you $245, which is cool enough. Okay, now take that to a month. Let's take it down to a month. Okay, that will be giving you almost $1,000. Okay, that's amazing. It's pretty cool. Okay, I know you guys can even make more than this. Okay, you can make more than this. All you need to do is just to make sure you set up a realistic daily targets. Okay, once you have these, then you will be able to achieve your goal easily, and you can easily pick up your 5 minutes. You just need to follow the instruction. The first thing you should do is to have this set up on your chart and make sure it is on all your charts. Okay, 1000 boom, 1000 crash, 1000 boom, 500 crash, 500. Then make sure you tweak I mean you have it on 5 minute time frame. Then also make sure you follow the rest of the instructions, which is you knowing the trend. Okay, then you knowing your support and resistance level. Then you follow the signal that supports the trend you are supposed to use for that asset. Okay, so once you are able to do this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, I taught some newbies this strategy, and that is what they are using till date, and they are making quite a lot of profit with that. Okay, they are making quite a lot of profits with that. So far they are trading within the trend, they are good with that. So that is how it works, guys. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video. Okay guys, do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, I've seen two people making $300 in today's from the results shared with me today, and I'm really happy about that. And the funniest thing is that the two people are new people just crossing $300. The one that crossed $300 yesterday went back to 297. Okay, 297 from the result he shared with me, was unable to make it up to $300, but I'm still happy for him because it's a gradual process. Okay, consistency is what matters, and before you can make that a normal stuff for you, it will take some time. You will get to it, come down it again, try to get to it again before you will be able to perfect it. Okay, so it's a gradual process. So I'm really happy. At least I've been able to record 3 people crossing $300, 1 person yesterday, 2 people today. So more people will definitely get there. I'm really happy about this. Okay, it shows that the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash is really working for us. Okay, so guys, tonight is going to be another opportunity for us. Do not forget to join me again later on in the day so that we can analyze the market together and learn how to trade. Okay, and also make some profit for ourselves. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then,